everybody, welcome back to our brown belt self-defense series. We're going to go into Sledgehammer Advanced. Now this one, just like hammer, has a lot of groundwork to it, so we're going to make sure we have plenty of room so you can see. This is how this works. Punch comes at me. We're blocking the outside, and we're taking that inverted hammer fist all the way through his body and getting ready to elbow back. So it's one. Now we're elbowing back, we're hitting one, and then we're hitting two, but we're also trapping and snapping this arm at the same time. So that's a good snap. We're going to rotate our arms down. We're creating what's called a figure four lock here. I'm going to step up and step together. When you're having a problem with this, the easiest way to remember is gap means escape. So I got to keep the gap between his arm and me. It's got to go away. And then I want you to try to elbow your opponent in the face with your other elbow while you're taking your left leg and stepping back and throwing that baseball. So once I'm here, I'm going to step back. And then we got Gavin where we want him. From this position, I want to lift with a wrist lock. And this is just going to lift just with my right hand, just right into there. From this position, I'm going to stand up, and I'm going to pull him completely to the side. I'm going to just leg kick the back of his head, and I'm going to step through. Once I step through, this leg's kicking his back of his head, and I'm pulling him literally into my shin. I'm almost into like a traditional forward stance here. In this position, I'm just going to push down. I want you to think of this as an infant putting a round peg into a square hole. It doesn't work unless you drop it really fast. And that's how we're going to cause lots of damage in this position. Good job, guys. I'll see you in class.